My name is Alex, and I want to tell you about my best friend, James. He has been my best friend for 15 years, and our friendship started when we were just 10 years old. James is not just a friend to me, he is like a brother. Our bond has grown stronger through all the good times and tough times we have shared. I know that no matter where life takes us, our friendship will last forever. James is not just my best friend, he is a part of my family and my life. We promised each other that no matter where life takes us, we will always stay in touch. James said, even if I'm running a company and you're exploring the world, we'll always find time for each other. He visited me every day after school, bringing snacks, video games, and stories about what was happening at school. He also helped me with my homework so I wouldn't fall behind. One evening, he said, "Don't worry, Alex, when you're better, we'll go on our biggest adventure yet." His support kept me strong, and I'll never forget how much he cared. One day, we found a small creek in the forest. We called it Adventure Creek and built a little bridge across it with sticks and stones. It became our secret place where we would sit and dream about the future. Another unforgettable adventure was a camping trip with James's family. One night, we heard rustling outside our tent. I was scared, but James grabbed a flashlight and said, "Let's check it out." It turned out to be a raccoon. We laughed about it for hours and still talk about it today. We also built a treehouse in James's backyard and started a club called the Explorers Club. It was our special place to plan adventures and dream about the world. Once, when I failed a math test, I was upset and ready to give up. James came to me and said, "Don't worry, Alex, I'll help you understand it." He explained everything patiently, and because of him, I passed my next test. James is also fun to be around, whether we're playing video games, hiking in the forest, or just talking. He always makes life exciting. His jokes and stories can make anyone laugh. That's when James walked up to me with a big smile and said, "Hi, I'm James. Do you want to play soccer after school?" His kindness made me feel welcome right away. We played soccer that day, and even though I wasn't very good, James cheered me on. He said, "Don't worry, you'll get better with practice." From that day, we became inseparable. I met James on my first day at a new school. I had just moved to a new town because of my father's job, and I didn't know anyone. I was nervous and lonely. During lunch, I sat alone, wishing I could go back to my old school. James is special because he is kind, honest, and always ready to help others. He has a way of making people feel better, even in difficult situations. James and I have shared so many adventures over the years. One of our favorite places to explore was the forest at the edge of town. We pretended it was a jungle, and we were explorers. 3 years ago, I had an accident while riding my bike and broke my leg. I had to stay in bed for 2 months, and I thought it would be the worst time of my life. But James made sure I wasn't alone. James and I often talk about our dreams. He wants to start his own business and make the world a better place. I want to travel the world and see new places. James has taught me many important lessons. James shows kindness to everyone, even strangers. Watching him has taught me to be kind too. When things get tough, James always says, "Keep trying." His determination inspires me. James believes in his goals and encourages me to believe in mine. James always helps me and others without expecting anything in return. James is my best friend because he believes in me, even when I don't believe in myself. He has stood by me in good times and bad, and his positivity makes life better. True friends like James are rare, and I feel lucky to have him in my life. Friendship is not about how much time you spend together. It's about how much you care for each other. James has made my life brighter, and I will always treasure our bond.